They can bring in just 2 or 3 people. They can really support. They really, it's not so much about supporting us, right? It's about supporting our customers. It's about helping our community get this thing. Like, there must be dozens of vendors out there. I know I walk.
I don't know, somebody just talked to me. Man, I hope you feel bad for right.
Shake it down now. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down now. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down.
Dad is going to draw the name, and Chris will announce it. If we call your number,
Right? Great. Okay, we are on the clock. Ticket number 088432. I have Patricia Craig.
ticket. Remember, we do this again tomorrow. Also must be.
Please come back tomorrow. Invite your friends. Tell everyone.